Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Mike Zuber, author, One Rental at a Time. And as you will know, on One Rental at a Time YouTube channel, we create original content each and every day for you. And one of the things that I'm really passionate about is helping people. And in this particular presentation or video, I want to talk about becoming a multi-millionaire. Lots of people talk about being a millionaire. I want to talk about being a multi-millionaire, specifically with real estate investing. And what you are going to find out in this presentation is being a multimillionaire really is far more mental than most people appreciate. Most people think there is some kind of magic formula. Maybe there's a strategy or something that just unlocks millions. I'm here to tell you that becoming a multimillionaire starts with what's between your ears, right? It starts inside you. So again, if you like these videos, if you like daily original content about money, investing, what's going on in the stock market, please subscribe, hit like, share the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm not some YouTube entertainer that's trying to game the algorithm and will do stimulus videos or this or that just to get clicks. I want to help people. So if you like that, if you like to see what's going on every day, we do 3, 4 videos every day. My stuff is always live, no editing. So if the phone rings, my dog barks, I sneeze, hey, it's life. We move forward. So if you like that, join the party, hit subscribe. But let's talk about the mental aspects of becoming a multi-millionaire. So let me share my screen with you. I best to do it in a presentation. It kind of keeps my flow, keeps it on track. You can hit pause if you would like. So in the end, if you're following this channel, you clicked on this video, there's a good chance you want to be a multi-millionaire. And again, as we're going to walk through, I believe it's so much up here, right? It's a mental aspects that, and nobody talks about it. So let's talk about it. So in my opinion, lots of people want to be a millionaire, want to be a multi-millionaire, but once you tell them how, right? Once you tell them there's real work, they lose it up here, right? The mental game is gone. They just don't believe you, don't get it, or frankly, just don't want to do it. That's unfortunate. Here's the real deal. If you're going to become a multimillionaire with real estate investing, it's going to take long-term sacrifice. Think years and maybe a decade. Yep. Being a multimillionaire with real estate doesn't happen overnight. Doesn't happen in a day, week, month, quarter, or year. It is absolutely possible. It is a get rich slow or get rich for sure business. But if you're going to do this business, you're going to sacrifice for a long time. If you want to hear about our sacrifice, you can read our book, One Rental at a Time. There's plenty of details in there. But realize, being a multimillionaire, absolutely possible, starts up here. People don't like sacrifice, washes them out all the time. Because it takes so much time, you are going to have an emotional journey. Bad stuff happens in real estate. I'm sorry. Fires, floods, evictions, lying, non-payment, disputes, lawsuits. It all happens. The market can go up. The market could go down. Lending can be easy. Lending can be hard. Owners can compete with you. Owners are afraid. Lots of emotions. It's all up here. Can you stay even keeled and just keep moving forward? I'm sorry, but there's a very good chance that the network you start with won't be the network you finish with. And I'm here to argue your network will likely change several times over your decade journey. Your 5 friends today, maybe friends in 10 years, but they won't be the 5 friends, if you know what I mean. Your network is going to have to change and evolve. You're going to feel horrible at many points in this journey. In our book, One Rental at a Time, I talk about one particular moment that I can still feel. I was driving home from a housewarming party from an employee who reported to me showing off his $1 million house, and I lost it. We were still living, and frankly still do. I'm recording this in one of our bedrooms of our condo. We never moved. We never upgraded. We didn't change our lifestyle. We lived below our means. But I felt horrible. I had to pull my car over and cry so I wouldn't crash. The fact that I can still hold on to that moment tells you that on your journey, you are going to have low moments, even if it's all working in your favor. What I didn't know is that low point about year 8 was right on the cusp of great appreciation, great growth. Momentum is so tough to start in this business. Don't ever stop it. That low moment I just talked about, we could have done lots of things, bought a new car, done a vacation, upgraded our kitchen to make myself feel better, but we didn't. We bought another rental. We bought another rental. We kept moving forward. Man, if you're on this journey and you have momentum is started, please don't stop it. It's between your ears. Keep going until that little stream turns into a torrent. The first 5 years is going to feel like nothing is happening. You're going to be like, where is all this cash flow I wanted? I don't know what to tell you. It takes everybody time and momentum and appreciation, a mortgage pay down and appreciation and all these things that are good that are happening. It just takes us a while to see them, right? So it's a mental game. Simply saving your money for 40 years, that's a strategy, but it's not a long-term strategy. Lots of us can do it for a while, but then don't. What you need to do is save and invest. Save and invest. You need to earn, save, invest, repeat. It is that simple. Earn. Live below your means and save. Learn your market and invest. And repeat, repeat, repeat. In the end, I want to highlight my book, One Rental at a Time. I was so blessed to have Forbes call it out as one of the 15 essential books to read before starting. It was actually number 3, which is kind of cool. You can actually search for it. Just type in Forbes 15 essential books and it will come up. To get that recognition was beyond anything I could have wished for or thanked. That was pretty awesome. I'll never forget that day. That was a good day. So in the end, I want you to know that being a multimillionaire is absolutely possible. I also want you to know it really does start up here. It is a mental game. And are you willing to keep your mental game strong enough, long enough? Most people aren't. Most people hear it's a mental game and they just give up. They don't want to do it. So if you like these kind of videos, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Most importantly, if you're still watching this and you enjoyed the video, share it on Facebook. I want more and more people to see what is possible and help this channel grow. Thank you very much.